So you
What
talk
is
about
that?
nightmares and dreams and stuff. So now GPT works while you dream, waking you up with a summary of topics, thoughts, and ideas based on your activity. So you wake up and it's kind of just been working away, pulls together a bunch of stuff that you might want to read about, might want to, it's your daily news based on specific
Ah,
things you talk about. So this really leans into this ecosystem that you speak about. What are they offering that's unique to them?
yeah.
So
So
this
this
is
is
quite
like
cool.
morning brew.
Morning brew for you. Morning brew for you. GPT
Yeah.
Pulse. And yeah, but I think the only downside to this, I think, is it's kind of, it's a duality where on the one hand, Sam is saying don't reveal too much, don't use it as a psychologist, this and that. But this kind of encourages you to be much more open because it works better the more open you are, the more
Yeah.
things you talk about. But it's an interesting addition. I think this is an exciting USP that ChatGPT are offering. And do you pay for ChatGPT?
Yes, I do.
So you should have this then. You
I
should have it.
haven't turned it on. I haven't checked it. Um, yeah. I'm
It's-
a bit disappointed like with what I can do with ChatGPT. I was fine with it, I don't know, 6 months ago, but today I'm not that happy.
It's a bit
Um,
mid, isn't it?
it is. And have you tried to it was also a trend to ask ChatGPT and any AI model to count from 1 to a million?
Oh yes, a video, right?
No, just like when you talk to
No,
ChatGPT.
there was a video. I saw a
Yeah, but
sketch
I
of a
tried
guy
it as
saying,
well.
"Yeah,
I tried it many times, and I did all types of things to make it even get no. It just straight up doesn't do it. I believe it's a hard limit they are putting on probably
mm,
like the number, like the output tokens that you can get per conversation.
mm,
And it's frustrating to me because like the actual use case for me is when I'm in the car and I'm driving, sometimes I feel like not listening to music or not listening to a podcast, but I do sometimes talk to ChatGPT to learn something. So
mm,
let's say it's a concept in programming or something about history. You can say, okay, tell me about the history of World War I. How did it start? It tells you something and it wraps it up. Then you ask it to be linear and tell you like everything. It just starts to wrap things up, even though if you ask for details, and
mm,
it fills it with filler words, even if you ask specifically to not use filler words. So I don't like that. I want it to be straight, and when I don't need filler words, just give me the straight facts. I want to talk about World War I and what happened in like a span. And I know it has access to Wikipedia. It does this what was it like the
yeah,
sound that
yeah,
it
yeah."
makes. So it goes on the web and then it comes up with a summary that is nowhere near in the depth that I need.
Mm.
That's my frustration. It's not deep.
Sorry, I don't know what to say, mate. That's really touched a nerve with you, hasn't it?
I don't like it because I'm paying and I
Yeah,
don't get uh
you don't get
this
your
kind of thing.
ROI.
Now I radio on
Save
the
your
internet.
money. Save your money. Buy Notion AI instead. But
ROI, radio on the internet. Who knows the reference? Just tell me because I know you don't know the reference because you have not seen the show.
well, one day, maybe one day. I did see something to do with it today. Today, are they re-releasing it or something?
Yeah, you should search for Silicon Valley show and ROI. You will know why.
I saw something just before this call. Anyway,
Yeah,
GPT Pulse, and it can even remind you about when it has like calendar access and email access. It can remind you about like doing things in the day as well. So if you, again, the more you talk to it, the more you whatever, it will do things. I do wonder who the audience is for this, like who asked for this, and what problem are they trying to solve with this? But it does look pretty fun, at the very
maybe they
least.
are throwing things and trying to see what sticks.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.